What is up, guys? It's Matt with Dean Team Golf Carts here. We have a very short video today. We just wanted to actually go over how to charge your Icon golf cart. So let's start by making sure the golf cart is off. So turn your key to the off position. You can take this forward reverse switch and put it in neutral if you'd like. Shouldn't really matter, but that is just a good practice. Additionally, open up your battery compartment and there is your switch here. This is the run and tow switch. We want to take this and put it to the middle position. The off position will disconnect the batteries a little bit more and allow it to get a fuller charge. Now that the cart's off, let's grab our cord and let's plug it into the wall first. All right. Plug it into the wall and then we'll plug it right here into the golf cart. It only fits in one direction, so you should have no issues there. You can see it cycles through the red, yellow, and green options. On the newer models, that means that it is plugged in and it's verifying everything. Once it lights up red, that means the charge cycle has begun. On some of the older models, this will just have a large delay, maybe of 10 seconds, and it will light up red. This will actually cycle through red, and then once it's 80% charged, it will turn yellow. And then once you are at full charge, it will be green. One thing I wanted to cover here is that it's very important with your lead acid batteries or your AGM gel batteries like the Icon has. It's important to charge them up to full every single time. These batteries can have a slight memory on there, so if you were to get into the habit of charging it, let's say only to 70% every day, your batteries are actually going to cap out somewhere around the 70% mark. So it's important every time you charge it that this will go through its whole cycle. You want to actually wait until that red light eventually turns green. This could take anywhere from a couple hours to an entire day, up to 24 hours or so, just depending on how much the batteries are discharged, how much you used the golf cart the day before. If you have any further questions or needed more information, they do have all this in the owner's manuals. Any of the older models will have this manual. It's on page 18. If you have the landscape manual, the one that was released in 2023, it's on page 44. And this can all be found on Icon's website as well. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you learned something today. If you had any further questions, you can speak with one of us at 314-647-4000, or you could go on any of our Instagram, Facebook, any social media, and find us at Dean Team Golf Carts. Thank you very much. Have a good day.